Hi everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tool which you can use to create thumbnails for your YouTube video super fast. So the name of the application is Thumbs.ai and this is the app, and it has a lot more features like you can download thumbnails, you can duplicate, and basically you give a prompt and it is going to create the thumbnail for you. Now let me show you how we can use this Thumbs.ai for creating thumbnails. So let me log in to my account. All right. Now I have login. So here we have this downloader feature where you can download the thumbnails. You can download it as a single video. You can download it as a batch. You can also download from the channel. So let's try first downloading some thumbnails. All right. Now we are in Marcus Brownlee's channel, MKBHD. So let's try to download some of the thumbnails from this video. So we have this video. So I'll copy the link of this video. And I'll put it right here. Now we have the thumbnail right here. So we can download this thumbnail. Now let's see if we can use this thumbnail to create a different thumbnail. Okay, recreate thumbs. So here I can upload this particular thumbnail that just we downloaded. So let's give the prompt right here. Recreate this thumbnail. So here is my simple prompt. So the prompt is like recreate this thumbnail with my photo, saying that this is a future in futuristic text. So we have an option to enhance this prompt right here. So I'll quickly do an enhancement. All right. Now we have the thumbnail right here. Now let's go choose our photo. So here we can create emotions, like create our own photos. So here you can upload your photo. So I have a photo of mine. Now, if you want to alter this image, you can do it. So here we have a bunch of presets. So I'll use shocked and let me try to optimize that. Okay. So it is, I think it will convert this image into something like that as a shocked version of my photo. All right. So we have our image right here. So this looks like that I'm shocked. Yes. So we can save this face. Yeah, we should give a name. My shocked face. All right. Now I will save this face. So I can add this image and let's see how the thumbnail is going to look. Now we can choose a reference style for the same. No, I'm not going to do that. Now if you want to make it for shorts, then you can make it for shorts, and if you're going for a traditional YouTube video, then you can choose that. Now let's choose one variation and let's create thumbnail. So here is a thumbnail. So instead of MKBHD, it's my photo right behind there. Okay. Now let's try to use a different one. So these are all altering existing thumbnails. So now let's create thumbs from here. Okay, let's do thumbnail. So we'll use this shocked face and let's create a. All right, now we have the thumbnail right here. So here it says on the right side, hyper-realistic close-up of a terrified person's face wearing a heavy dystopian respirator mask. So I think they will be using this photo. So let's see if it is going to use my photo. Click on create. All right. So here we have the thumbnail that it created. So I think it's pretty great. So think about the time and effort that usually goes into creating something like this. You should have your photo, then adding all these elements, that would take a lot of time. So Thumbs.ai is solving all these issues. You can just give prompt, add your face. So the best feature that I see in this app is about creating your face and emotions. So here you can upload your face, and you can alter the way that you want. With just one face, you can create a version of your like angry or whatever. We have a lot of templates right here. Or else you can also use, you want something else, so you can use this to create a version of yourself with the prompt, and you can save them. So that's the best feature that I would love to use using Thumbs.ai, and that's a great feature. So this will help us create thumbnails fast. So if you're someone who is into creating shorts or videos super fast and publishing videos super fast, then this tool will really help you, and it will increase your productivity. You don't have to waste tons of time into creating these thumbnails. You just give your prompt and you have it right there. So you have option to create text to thumbnail and image to thumbnail. You can upload some if you have some inspirations. So let's try that one. So let's take some inspiration. So let me look for. So here we are going to take an inspiration from one of the YouTube video thumbnail. So I'll grab the thumbnail right here. So you just give the paste. So now you have that thumbnail here. So here we are going to change this Mr. Who's Arun's photo, change the phone, and do something else. Okay, change the person. All right, so here is the prompt, and I have added the reference image, and I'll be using this fearful emotion of mine to create this one. So let's see how it is going to turn out. So click on create thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail that we created with the reference one. So instead of phone, we have Pepsi's can, and we have other photos of soft drinks instead of the one that we have in that image. So with this app, we can recreate the existing thumbnails and modifying it to the way that we want. So that's a great thing. So these are the features of this app, where you can create thumbnails super fast, and it can really help you in video production. And there are much more features that is going to come. You can use these template tools, they're about to come. So the best feature that I think that this tool has is this emotion, adding your photo and creating a different emotions the way that you want. And that's something that I love about this app. So please do check it out. So there are some offers going on right now. So when you log in, you will get 10 credits for free. And once you create some thumbnails with this app, you will get even 10 more credits. So you can use that to create the thumbnails that you want. I'll add the link to this app in my description. So do check it out and let me know what do you think about this app. So till then, this is signing off. Bye.